WhatsApp isn't just a messaging app, it's the backbone of our daily communication, seamlessly woven into the fabric of our everyday routines. From the moment we wake up to the last message before bed, WhatsApp keeps us connected to friends, family, and colleagues, no matter where they are in the world. It connects billions across the globe, bridging distances and time zones, making the world feel smaller and more accessible. Whether it's a quick text, a heartfelt voice note, or a group video call, WhatsApp is the platform we turn to for instant, reliable communication. Its end-to-end encryption has built a foundation of trust, making us comfortable sharing everything from personal stories to sensitive documents. We rely on its promise of privacy, knowing our conversations are protected from prying eyes, and our data is kept secure. Businesses, doctors, teachers, and entire communities rely on WhatsApp, turning it into a vital utility for both work and life. It's not just about staying in touch, it's about organizing, collaborating, and even responding to emergencies, all within a single app. But this incredible convenience comes with significant risk. Our digital identity, finances, and relationships are all tied to the security of our accounts. A single breach can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just us, but everyone we connect with. As digital threats evolve and become more sophisticated, understanding how to protect ourselves is no longer optional. It's essential for everyone, regardless of age or tech experience. Staying informed and vigilant is the first step to safeguarding our digital lives. In this guide, we'll show you how to use powerful tools like Termux and Kali Linux to ethically test and strengthen your WhatsApp security. By learning these skills, you'll be empowered to keep your conversations private, your data safe, and your digital world secure. In 2025, digital attacks are a matter of when, not if, especially on WhatsApp, a prime target for cyber criminals. While encryption is strong, attackers now exploit human error, tricking users into handing over access. A compromised account exposes your chats, contacts, and lets criminals impersonate you to scam others. Modern attacks use personal details to craft convincing scams, making it hard to spot the difference between real and fake. Understanding these tactics, and the tools used to simulate them, arms you with the awareness to spot threats early. Security today is about proactive vigilance, not just settings. Staying safe means cultivating constant awareness and learning to recognize new, sophisticated attacks. In today's digital world, cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, and one of the latest threats is quishing, QR code phishing. This method is being used to hijack WhatsApp accounts by luring users to fake websites or tricking them into scanning malicious QR codes. These codes can appear anywhere, on posters, emails, or even seemingly legitimate websites, making it easy for anyone to fall victim if they're not careful. When you scan a rogue QR code, you might unknowingly link your WhatsApp account directly to an attacker's device. This gives them immediate and full access to your messages, contacts, and personal information. No password required. The process is quick and silent, often leaving victims unaware until it's too late. Another growing danger is the spread of Trojanized WhatsApp mods. These are unofficial versions of WhatsApp that promise extra features or customization options. However, many of these apps are laced with spyware or hidden malware designed to steal your data, monitor your activity, and compromise your credentials. These fake apps are often cleverly disguised to look just like the real thing, making it difficult to spot the difference. Once installed, they can secretly hand over your account and sensitive information to cybercriminals, putting your privacy and security at serious risk. To protect yourself, always download WhatsApp only from official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store. Avoid third-party websites or links, as these are common sources of compromised or fake apps that can lead directly to your account being hacked. Remember, the temptation of extra features or customizations isn't worth the risk of losing your privacy, your conversations, or even control of your account. Cybercriminals count on curiosity and convenience to trick users into making unsafe choices. Stay vigilant, Never scan QR codes from unknown sources, and never install unofficial apps, no matter how appealing they seem. Take a moment to verify before you act. Your security and privacy depend on these simple, critical choices. By staying alert and making informed decisions, you can keep your WhatsApp account and your personal information safe from cyber threats. Security experts use tools like the Social Engineer Toolkit, SET, Nmap, and Wireshark to simulate attacks and audit defenses. SET helps create phishing simulations and malicious QR codes for training, not exploitation. Nmap scans networks to find devices and potential vulnerabilities, while Wireshark analyzes network traffic for suspicious activity. These tools reveal how attackers operate, letting you spot weaknesses before criminals do. Advanced frameworks like Metasploit and OWASP-ZAP allow deeper vulnerability testing, helping you fix issues proactively. Used ethically, these tools are your best defense against evolving threats. Learning them transforms you from a passive user into an active guardian of your digital life. Setting up Kali Linux or Termux for security testing is straightforward. Kali Linux comes with most tools pre-installed. Just update with and install extras like SET, Nmap, or Wireshark with a single command. So, Termux brings a Linux-like environment to Android, update with and then install tools using. For more complex tools, clone from GitHub and follow setup instructions. With a few commands, you can build a powerful security lab on your computer or phone. Keeping your tools updated ensures you're ready to test and defend against the latest threats. The right setup is your first step toward mastering digital security. Witnessing a Quishing attack unfold firsthand is the most effective way to grasp just how dangerous and deceptive these threats can be. Instead of simply reading about the risks, seeing the process in action makes the potential consequences much more tangible and memorable. With the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, in Kali Linux, cybersecurity professionals and students can safely simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment. For example, you can use SET to clone the WhatsApp web login page and generate a convincing fake QR code. This is done strictly on your own devices, for educational and awareness purposes only, never for malicious intent. When you scan this fake QR code with your phone, it links your WhatsApp account to the attacker's session, instantly showing how quickly and easily someone can lose control of their private conversations and data. This simulation highlights the real-world impact of Quishing attacks, which often go unnoticed until it's too late. Experiencing this hands-on demonstration makes the threat feel immediate and personal. It drives home the importance of being vigilant and cautious, teaching you to only scan QR codes from trusted, official sources and to always verify the legitimacy of any login page before entering your credentials. The key takeaway is simple but powerful. Always type web.whatsapp.com directly into your browser yourself, and never trust QR codes sent to you unexpectedly or from unknown sources. This small habit can prevent major security breaches. Regularly practicing these simulations and exercises helps build strong mental defenses and sharp instincts, making you much less likely to fall victim to real-world attacks. The more you train, the more prepared you become. Remember, ethical testing is about learning, not exploiting. It's about understanding how attackers think so you can better protect yourself and others. In the world of digital security, experience truly is the best teacher. By simulating attacks and learning from them, you empower yourself to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals and keep your information safe. Defense starts with action. Enable two-step verification, 2FA, to add a critical layer of security. Regularly check linked devices in WhatsApp settings and log out of any you don't recognize. Treat unknown QR codes and suspicious links as threats. Never scan or click unless you're sure of the source. Be wary of urgent messages, even from friends. Compromised accounts can be used to scam you. Only use the official WhatsApp app from trusted stores. Avoid third-party mods at all costs. Combine these habits for a robust, multi-layered defense. Staying secure is about routine vigilance, not just one-time settings. Make these practices part of your digital life. Losing your WhatsApp account is more than a privacy breach. It's a gateway for attackers to scam your contacts, steal your identity, and blackmail you. Criminals can impersonate you, tricking friends and family into sending money or sharing sensitive info. They can access years of chats, photos, and documents, using them for blackmail or further attacks. Your reputation and relationships can be damaged in minutes, and recovery is stressful and time-consuming. In some cases, you could be permanently locked out of WhatsApp. The stakes are high. Proactive defense is the only way to avoid these devastating consequences. The tools we've discussed are for defense, not attack. Permission is the line between ethical testing and illegal hacking. Use these tools only on your own devices or with explicit consent. Ethical security is about protecting, educating, and building trust, not breaking it. Share your knowledge to help others enable 2FA, avoid quishing, and stick to official apps. Simulate attacks to learn, not to harm. Thinking like an attacker helps you defend better. Stay curious, keep learning, and always respect privacy and the law. Your skills can make the digital world safer for everyone. Let them be a force for good.